Student's Book, page 12. 2. Come and play.
Hi, I'm Anna. I've got 2 cars and 4 guitars. Come and play with me today. I've got 3 kites and a yellow bike. Come and play with me today.
Hi, I'm Tom. I've got some bats and some funny red hats. Come and play with me today. I've got 5 ducks and 2 big trucks. Come and play with me today.
My name's Sue. I've got a doll. And look, here's my blue book.
My name's Pat. I've got a lizard and lots of pears. And here's my happy teddy bear. Come and play with us today. We've got lots of pets too. They can play with you.
We've got a cat, a dog, and 3 green frogs.
So clap your hands and come and play.
Come and play with us today.